This dance is called natural. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right, kick the left forward, walk back, left, right, left, touch the right beside the left. Now set of steps once more, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step the right to the side, hold. On the and count, you're going to bring the left beside the right. Step the right to the side again, touch the left beside the right. Repeat going back to the left. So you're going to step the left to the side, hold. On the and count, you bring the right beside the left. Step the right, left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Now set of steps once more. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, hold and side, touch. Side, hold and side, touch. Add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side and side, touch, side and side, touch. You're going to add on a couple of Monterey quarter turns. So you're going to point your right out to the side, turn yourself a quarter turn to the right as you bring the right back beside the left. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. So that's your Monterey turn. So we're going to do that twice. We do that once more. Point the right to the side, quarter turn right, you step the right beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. So you should now be facing the back wall. That set of steps once more then. Monterey's off on that right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, hold and side, touch. Side, hold and side, touch. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Add on a chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right and right to the side. Now you're going to rock back on the left, but when you do this rock, you're going to rock behind the right, recover your weight on that right. Chassé to the left, again 1 or 2 count timing steps, stepping left to the side, right side left, left to the side, and another one of those cross back rocks. So you rock back on that left, right, behind the left, and recover. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, hold and side, touch. Side, hold and side, touch. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. So that is your dance. Now there are a few and counts in there. So I'm going to just go through the dance with the counts so you can see exactly where they fit in. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So So that's your dance, and hopefully you can see where those and counts actually fit in. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side and side, touch, side, hold and side, touch. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side and side, touch, side and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So I missed out the word hold and changed that Monterey turn from its individual steps to that turn, Monterey turn. Now there is one tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 7. So wall 7 is your 12 o'clock wall. You will be facing the back wall when you come to do the tag. So the tag, quite simply, you're going to step forward on your right. You're going to pivot yourself half a turn to the left, but you're going to do it slowly over 3 counts or beats of music. So it's 1, 2, 3. You're then going to hold for 4 beats of music before you restart. So that is your tag. Just do that once more for you. Stepping forward on that right, slow, pivot, hold, and then you're going to restart. Off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and start again. So let's have a go at wall 7, add the tag on and restart so you can see exactly how it fits in. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Side, hold and side, touch, side, hold and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, tag, step, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Tag, end of wall 7. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, and your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music.
She looks like an angel, she knows what God gave her. It's not every day you see something like that. And I'm feeling thankful, the truck got a tank full. I know how to handle when she drives.
5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, and side, touch, side, and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, and side, touch, side, and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, and side, touch, side, and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, side, and side, touch, side, and side, touch. Monterey, turn, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, walks. Side, Monterey, chassé, walks, side, Monterey, chassé, walk, tag walk, side, Monterey, chassé, tag, step, pivot, hold, walk, take the back, touch. Hope you managed that one.